In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy S&P 500 using Moomoo. You can't buy the S&P 500 index directly on Moomoo, but you can get the same broad exposure by purchasing an ETF, an exchange-traded fund that tracks it. The three most common options you'll find are SPDR S&P 500 with the ticker SPY, Vanguard S&P 500 with the ticker VOO, and iShares Core S&P 500 with the ticker IVV. They all hold essentially the same companies as the index, so their prices usually move very closely with the S&P 500. The main differences are things like fees and trading volume, but for tracking the index, they're all built for the same job. Let's walk through how to buy one on Moomoo. First, open the app and log in. From the home screen, you can tap Markets to browse, or simply tap the search bar at the top to jump right to what you need. In the search bar, type SPY, VOO, or IVV. Any of these will work for S&P 500 exposure. If you're not sure which to look at first, many long-term investors like VOO because of its very low fees, but feel free to compare each fund's details inside the app. Next, tap the ETF you want to explore, for example, VOO, to open its page. Here, take a moment to scroll through the chart and details. You can view recent performance, longer-term trends, and a snapshot of what the fund holds. This is a good place to confirm you're on the right ticker and to get comfortable with how the price has moved over time. When you're ready to place a trade, tap Trade, then select Buy. You can enter the number of shares if you plan to buy whole shares, or enter a dollar amount if you prefer fractional shares. Fractional shares are supported, so you can start with small amounts, think even $5, to begin building a position without waiting to save up for a full share. Before you submit, review the order details on screen so you know exactly what you're buying. When everything looks good, confirm the order with your trading password, and you're done. The app will show you the order status and, once filled, your new position. If you're brand new and want to practice first, Moomoo's paper trading feature lets you simulate the exact same steps with virtual money. It's a great way to get comfortable with searching, reviewing an ETF page, and placing a buy order without any risk. That's the process. Open Moomoo, search SPY, VOO, or IVV, review the ETF page, and place your buy using shares or a dollar amount. Keep it simple, start small if you like, and build confidence as you go.